Hello friends, welcome to LS Electrical and Electronics. In this video, I will take one B 100 kilo ohm potentiometer and I am gonna show you the resistance value between each pins. The potentiometer have 3 pins. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, I am going to show the resistance value in between the each pins. Okay, let's see. I put it in a 200 kilo ohm in multimeter because it's 100 kilo ohm potentiometer. That's why I put 200 kilo ohms. Now I am going to check the resistance between first and third pin. See, it's 101 kilo ohms. That means the resistance of the potentiometer gives full resistance between 1 and 3. Now I am going to turn this knob to clockwise direction. That means from 0 to 100%. Wait, now I am turning this knob from 0 to 100 and I check it. It still shows 101 ohms. That means first and third pin will constantly give 100 kilo ohms. Let's check between. Now it is in 100%. I will turn this to 0. Now I am going to check between 1 and 2. It shows 0 ohms. That means the resistance between 1 and 2 is 0. Now I am going to turn this knob from 0 to 100. See, the resistance value increase slightly. Now 35 kilo ohms. Now 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now I turn this knob to 100% and the kilo ohms is 100 kilo ohms. When I turn this knob to anti-clockwise, that means 0%, the resistance value also decrease. Now I am going to check. Now the knob is in 0%. Now I am going to check the resistance between 2 and 3. When I turn the knob to 0%, the resistance between 2 and 3 is 100. But between 1 and 2 is 0 ohms. Okay, and that means vice versa. Now I am going to turn this knob 0 to 100%. The resistance between 2 and 3 will decrease. See in the multimeter, decrease from 100 to 90. Now 80, 60, 50, 40. Now I decreased fully. Now it shows 0 distance. Okay, now it shows 0 resistance value. So this is the video. In this video I think you will learn how the potentiometer work. Okay, when you want the constant 100 kilo ohm resistance value, you use 1 and third pin. Okay, when you put this knob in 0%, you will get 0 kilo ohms between 1 and 2 and 100 kilo ohms between 2 and 3. When you rotate the knob from 0 to 100% like this, you will get 100 kilo ohms resistance value between 1 and 2 and 0 kilo ohms resistance value between 2 and 3. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.